Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this big parcel. So let's start this side. Inside we have another packing. So nothing more. So let's open this. Okay, here we go. Here we have a coin 2002. This is a crown size coin. You can see clearly, very big in size. Crown size coin. So let's check what else we have. So this lot is full of foreign coins. You can see different foreign coins. All are foreign different variety coins. And here we have few more. And here we have an important coin. So let it be there. Let's check few more collections. Okay. So few more. And here we have few more crown size coins. Two crown size coins here. And this might be here, kept here. Okay, so we have totally 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have 5 like 5 album sheets. So 5 sheets full of foreign coins. Sooner these all will be for sale on our website. You can check our website anticrelic.in. Hit the like button.